Okay, so today's review is going to be about a knife brand that I've never covered before, but I've heard good things. My buddy John Duke has been telling me about Vosteed, how great they are. He's got a few different ones from them. I think he's got one or two folders, and then at least one or two fixed blades. And I had planned to save this until we sit down and have a talk about them, me and him amongst ourselves. But we were planning a new segment, and that was going to be the first episode, is where we talk about Vosteed, and it still very well might. But this thing could not wait until that happens. I picked one of these up, and yeah, I've been carrying it for the last few days, and I just got to talk about it. So it'll come up again during our episode, but for right now, I'm going to talk about this thing. Hold on, let me open it up and just show what it comes with. It's got a little pamphlet. It's got some information. Nice little sticker. Cleaning cloth. But let's get down to the real deal. This is the Vosteed Naga, I believe is the name. And oh my goodness. I didn't realize it was a Vosteed when I saw it in the store. I picked this up at Quest Outdoors in Louisville, Kentucky. And I think this was the only one they had. But as soon as I saw it, it immediately caught my eye. Now, if you look, it almost looks sort of like oil spill a little bit, and sort of like some kind of layered mix of maybe micarta and G10, but it's also got some shiny, I don't know, like copper flakes or something in there with it. But look at that blade. S35VN, generous thumb studs on either side. A nice little choil right there. It's got jimping all the way up, and just a very thin but stout edge on this thing. I like that they put these little details in right here. It's almost like a fuller sort of, and it's a button lock. You can see where it's actuated right here, and it just drops down, shakes closed, and it's based on the old Spanish Navaja knives, I believe is how it's pronounced, Navaja, Navaja or Navaja. It's basically just a big stout pocket knife, or folding knife. But yeah, wire pocket clip, but these handles are insane. And they have a variety of them. There's some that are almost like a kind of ivory color with a lighter, almost a yellowish tan in between there. There's some that are kind of an orangish black, brown, and some more neutrals. But this one here really stuck out to me. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, yeah, buddy, I got to get my hands on one of them. So shout out to John Duke for putting me up on the Vosteed. And yeah, new segment coming soon where we're going to talk about it. But we're going to get the full review on this thing and put it through its paces. But yeah, highly recommend the Vosteed Naga. It is a awesome knife.